is Rhonda of Virtu Works for You Creative. And the name of this video is Pinterest Marketing, How to Make Your Business Highly Visual on Pinterest. Now, this video is based on a LinkedIn poll in which I asked my followers the following questions. Number one, do you believe your business is highly visual? Number two, do you believe your business belongs on Pinterest? And the results of this poll is that 30% said yes, 50% said no, and 20% not sure. So I am here to tell you if you said no or if you're not sure, how it is possible to make your business highly visual and on Pinterest. Now, the notion of only highly visual brands and or business can utilize the power of Pinterest is one of the biggest myths about Pinterest. Highly visual businesses such as clothing and accessory businesses and clothing, let me say that again, clothing and accessory businesses, then product businesses and food businesses, for example, are considered by many to be the best fit for Pinterest. However, many service-based businesses are finding success on Pinterest as well. And there are many ways for service-based businesses to become highly visual on Pinterest using various forms of visual content. Now, some examples of service service-based businesses or businesses that are considered not highly visual are financial service businesses and product repair services. Those are two examples, and I'm going to give you some examples based on those two businesses, how you can make those, if you are in one of those industries and other ones too, how you can make your business visual, more highly visual, or visual as you want to say, more visual on Pinterest. And I'm just going to use financial and product repair services as examples. So let's say if you have a financial service businesses, you offer financial services as taxes, or you give tips on financial matters, or let's say financial consultations. You talk to people how to manage or spend their money wisely. So you can create videos, and if you're camera shy, you can create presentations and stories, for example, giving financial tips on making money, saving money, or making smarter and better financial decisions and or choices. Okay, so example, let's say you may want to do videos on 5 tips to create wealth. You can get on video, and yes, I know some people are camera shy, and give 5 tips to your audience about 5 ways to create wealth. And another example is a product repair service. Let's say if you have a computer repair business, you could create a behind the scenes video showing how you work on people's computers, different types of computer repair services that you may, you know, offer to people. You can show, just how you work behind the scenes. Or another example, you could create tutorials on how to fix simple computer technical issues, like, okay, if someone computer freezes, or um they how to erase cookies, how to clean out your cookies and caches, that kind of thing. So you can do tutorials on that. Now, these are some of the many ways that you can make your business highly visual on Pinterest. And this is for businesses that are considered, like the businesses I just named, not so highly visual. Okay. Now, before I close out, I want to say that, at one time, Pinterest was what you call a highly visual brand platform. You only saw uh, brands, highly visual brands such as food, clothing, accessories at one time, but platforms change, and audience on those platforms change, and Pinterest is continuously growing, and more people are discovering how Pinterest can help grow their business. And so Pinterest is also encouraging more videos in which people are actually getting on camera and, giving, advice or tips, you know, to their audience. So that's one way in which Pinterest changed, because I've been on Pinterest for the last 3 years, and as I've said, platforms are always changing. So after listening to this video, think about ways in which you can make your brand more highly visible on Pinterest using various forms of visual content. And please share that in the comments. And I also want to say that if you like this video, thumbs it up. If you love the content on this channel, please subscribe, click the notification bell symbol for alerts. And if you would like for Virtu Works for You Creative to help you with your marketing on Pinterest, please hit us up. If you're thinking about using Pinterest to grow your business, Pinterest is great for not only sharing highly valuable educational content. It's great for driving traffic to your websites, blogs, YouTube channels, courses, any link that needs traffic, and stores, online stores. We can help you with that, me and my team. And not only that, just like increase brand awareness, drive traffic, and conversions. Just hit me up, let me know. I'll put a link in the description to schedule a 30-minute consultation. And that is it. It's been great speaking to you all again. And I will talk to you again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.